loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm here in today's video to share with you all my winter transition and must-haves during the summertime. So the dabba is all ready. I have a lot to show you all, from clothes to skincare, makeup. Let's get started. Summer time मतलब थोड़ा स्किन केयर चेंज करने का टाइम, बिकॉज जो प्रोडक्ट्स विंटर सीजन में यूज़ किए थे यू कैन नॉट रियली यूज़ ऑल ऑफ द सेम regime in the summertime as well, because your skin changes and the requirements change for your skin, and so you need to adapt according to the change. Skincare की बात करूँ तो I use a ton honestly, but the ones that I love using and I constantly go back and forth are these from the Minimalist. Very first one is a salicylic acid 2% serum from them. Again, if you have acne prone skin, you have blackhead issues, or if you have oiliness, this is the serum to go for. This will reduce oil, blemishes, and basically a potent BHA, and is a staple in my routine. Next, I love using this serum especially during the night time because tab dhoop nahi hoti, and this is the one if you have acne marks to fade away, blemishes, hyperpigmentation around your mouth वगैरह, थोड़ा darkness हो जाता है, then you can definitely go ahead and buy this one. This is the alpha arbutin 2%. Again, if you have a pigmentation, dark spots and issues like such, you can go ahead for this serum, and trust me, this is the one. You would definitely see changes after using the serum, so do give it a try. Then morning के समय पे थोड़ा I'm trying to change up my cleanser, so right now I'm using the Bioderma face wash for the face. It's working absolutely great. I even use the simple face wash, again so good for my face. But थोड़ा body के लिए, you know, during the summer गमोरिया हो जाती है, रैशेस हो जाते हैं because of the पसीना and all, you know, because of sweat you end up getting rashes and boils, and for that, to keep your body free from any kind of body acne or rashes, definitely use a good BHA for your body. So this I purchased. This is their salicylic acid plus LHA cleanser. Now this one particularly is for your face, like you can use it as a face wash, मतलब ये face wash ही है honestly, but I purchased it to use it for my back because I do you know, face back acne issues and chest acne issues, so I like using this, and this is great cleanser for reducing acne, and it would also reduce the acne marks and keep your skin free from all of those things. So it's a great one, plus it has LHA, which is great for a gentle skin exfoliation, so do try it. Next up, हर बारी इसके बारे में मैं बात करती हूँ और इस वीडियो में भी आ गया. This is the Etoderm moisturizer from Bioderma. I love this. I swear by this so much. So you can definitely give it a try. It's slightly heavy, so I like using this during the night time. But जो morning का समय होता है ना, मेरा कहाँ गया, मॉर्निंग का टाइम होता है, यू नीड समथिंग विच इज़ लाइट वेट बिकॉज गर्मी बहुत पड़ रही है, एंड फॉर दैट आई परचेज दिस वन. दिस इज़ द सिंपल मॉइस्चराइजिंग लाइट मॉइस्चराइजर विथ SPF. So basically it's protecting as well as moisturizing your skin, and it is lightweight and breathable on the skin. So even though I'm dry skin type, this provides moisturization, like बहुत ज़्यादा greasy, चिपचिपी, sticky वाली feeling नहीं है. Very lightweight, SPF 15, UVA, UVB filters भी है. Plus it is all fragrance free. Like ये सारे products जो भी मैंने अभी तक बताया है, all are fragrance free. So definitely give them a try. And गर्मी आ रही है, how can you forget your SPF? So do not forget, मेरा हाल देखो भाई, SPF का सब नामो निशान मिट गए हैं. I love these. ये जो है मेरे डर्मैक ने recommend किया था. From years I'm on to this. This is the Photostable from Bello. Fragrance free, minimalist का SPF fragrance free. All work great, and अच्छा खासा 2 finger rule क्या 3 finger rule यूज़ करके हर जगह लगाओ, थोपो और बाहर जाओ ड्यूरिंग द समर, बिकॉज भाई भयंकर वाली गर्मी छुट्टी है. So you need a good SPF in your routine. So ये जो था वो था skin protection, skin care वाला part, which is necessary during the summertime to keep your skin healthy. But makeup करने से बास तो आएंगे नहीं. Summer हो, गर्मी हो, ठंडी हो, makeup तो करना है भाई, एक girl की normal वृत्ति, you know. So for that you need some really good products that are gonna stay out in the scorching sun and would not melt away, leaving you embarrassed. And for that थोड़े मेकअप प्रोडक्ट recommendations I'll quickly share. ये समर टाइम है, do not forget out on your primer because primer एक वो चीज़ है जो पकड़ रखेगा आपके मेकअप को और फेड नहीं होने देगा. So you can try these out. बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल वाले ऑप्शन में I have the Blue Heaven primer. बहुत अच्छा है. I'm on my second tube. Does not clog your pores, smoothens out your skin and provides a good base for your foundation to lay next, and would also make your makeup long lasting. And similarly I also like this one from Colorbar. It is their perfect match primer. Again एक silicone based primer है, long lasting base definitely, and slightly blurs down the pore zone as well, so I like this. And अगर if you talk about a really good primer that is mattifying and good quality plus in the medium affordable range, you can try the Fit Me Matteless Poreless Primer. Great for normal to oily skin. Also has SPF 20. इसका ये मतलब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है that you can skip out on your sunscreen. No, you have to wear your sunscreen come what may. But this is a really good primer on its own, mattifying, perfect for the summertime. And अगर भयंकर अफोर्डेबल वाला ऑप्शन चाहिए then try this one out from Insight. It's their pore primer. Like ये कुछ 100 रुपए का आता है. अभी पैकेजिंग they've like revamped, but बहुत अच्छा प्राइमर है. Like instantly blurs down the pore zone and would also make your makeup long lasting, so try these out. पहले I would recommend a good BB cream kind of foundation, like proper foundation मत यूज़ करो गर्मियों में. है आपको एक कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं होगा, ऐसा लगेगा बस कितने जल्दी जाऊँ और निकाल दूँ ये सारा चेहरा. सो वैसा वाला लिप अप होती मत ही कीजिएगा. गो एंड ट्राई फॉर अ लाइट वेट BB creams or tinted moisturizers or stuff like that. Recommend all of these right here. Like ये जो है ये new launch है. This is a foundation. This is the Aquaholic Hydrating Foundation from Sugar Cosmetics. So basically एक foundation ही है, but it is not very heavy on the skin. Lightweight है and hydrating है. It is not very matte, not very dewy. So I think this would work for dry skin types during the summer, but oily skin types I don't know if you'll be able to carry this one. But I have other options as well in BB creams. Like you can try out the Fit Me Fresh Tint, and this is a good one to go out in the summer. Like एक simple सा CC cream या BB cream लगा लो या tint लगा लो. Like right now the base I have is this on my face and you're sorted. Or you can even go for the Kiro Daily Dewy Liquid Serum. Again सीरम फाउंडेशन है बट मोर सो लाइक अ टिंट बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा वाला कवरेज नहीं है, मीडियम कवरेज बट वेरी लाइट वेट ऑन द स्किन. ये स्लाइटली ड्यूई है, सो यूल हैव टू बेक विथ लूज पाउडर सो दैट ये सेट हो जाए. इट इज़ नॉट मैट, सो थोड़ा गर्मियों में मेल्ट होगा आई नो, बट यू वुड हैव टू सेट इट एंड देन इट वुड बी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. But if you want a natural everyday finish, then you can go for the Miss Claire one. This is the everyday foundation. Again बहुत beautiful है. This is in the shade beige. बहुत perfect skin tone match है for my skin tone. I'm NC14 MAC for reference. Again medium coverage tint है, everyday wear के लिए best है. And lastly you can try out the Mars BB cream. अच्छे खासे shades available है. Like they've added some new shades in the range and सांस फूल रही है. ओके सो बेसिकली BB क्रीम है बट विथ मीडियम टू हाई कवरेज. सो इसमें कवरेज ज़्यादा है, सो यू नीड अ लिटिल पी साइज अमाउंट एंड यू आर सॉर्टेड. प्लस लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. कौन इतना हॉर्न बजा रहा है? प्लस इट इज़ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड गुड फॉर द heat out there, so you can definitely give this one a try as well. या फिर अगर आपको बेस नहीं करना, सिर्फ एक सिंपल सा कंसीलर लगा लो and you're sorted. So सबसे पहले तो ऐसे झिपरे बालों को मैं संभाल लेती हूँ. Talking about the Sugar newest launch, this is their autocorrect creaseless concealer. बहुत बढ़िया वाला कवरेज है. Honestly I was shocked when I used it. बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज है and smooth and finish, long lasting, and you can definitely go for this one. So that is my shade 40 Breve, a good match, slightly highlighting for my skin tone with yellow undertones. Or else आज जो मैंने use किया है is this from Swiss Beauty. This is their liquid concealer. Again I use the shade 6 underneath my eyes today. Slightly warm shade है. I think मैंने एक और shade खरीदा था, पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. I'm not able to locate it in my खजाना. बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया वाला कंसीलर है फॉर द प्राइस यू आर पेइंग फॉर. अफोर्डेबल है, कम पैसे में बहुत अच्छा वाला काम करता है. गुड कवरेज, लाइट वेट अंडरनीथ द आईज एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एज वेल. सो अगर वो भी नहीं है तो भाई Period. The best concealer, it's the age refined concealer from Maybelline. I've gone through multiples of these. You just need a little amount and blend it out and you're sorted. So check this out as well. Coming to blushes, cream blushes you have to, because cream blushes long lasting hoge in the summer heat. So you can try out these new launches from Forever 52. These are decent. They leave a soft liquid tint on your cheeks, so you can definitely try these ones out. You can also try out the super dewy blushes from Makeup Revolution, or you can try the Love Earth multipots. I love these so much. I've made like a complete review video on these. You can check this out for the shade swatches, or you can also try out the Just Herbs liquid you can try out the Just Herbs cream blushes. Again, love these. And bhayankar affordable option, may I have these from Inside Cosmetics. Love these cream blushes, like 75 rupees offer pe you can get it for like 65-68. Love it. Like that is what I'm wearing right now on my cheeks. Love it. Cream blushes जो है ना, ये withstand कर जाएंगे even if you wear the dewy formula or anything of that sort. थोड़ा सा powder कर दो, sorted. Then you need a good powder in the summertime. So loose powders to the rescue. The one that I'm wearing right now is the Inside HD loose powder. Affordable range में a good powder. I use the shade Ivory, which is a light yellow banana shade for my skin tone as well. You can either use a translucent one like this from Makeup Revolution. This is their loose setting powder. And you can swear by the one from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me Loose powder. Again, the shade 20 is my match. बाकी face पे कुछ भी कर लो, eyeliner लगा लो, mascara लगा लो, eyebrow product लगा लो, all of that is fine. Base एकदम set होना चाहिए, right? For that, the last step, which is a must do in your summer makeup routine, is a good setting spray. Like you need this in your life. स्पेशली दिस वन. अगर समर टाइम में आप जी रहे हो और मेकअप पहनना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू गेट दिस वन. दिस इज द L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Setting Spray. And dude, let me tell you, this is gonna be a life changer for you. Like एक मेरा literally खाली हो गया है and I've purchased a new one because I love this so much. बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बना देगा. इट एक्सटेंड्स द वेयर टाइम ऑफ योर मेकअप एंड टेक्स डाउन द पाउडरीनेस जो दूसरे स्प्रेज भी करते हैं. बट वॉट मेक्स दिस डिफरेंट इज दैट विद दिस सेटिंग स्प्रे योर मेकअप बिकम्स ट्रांसफर प्रूफ एंड दैट इज़ वॉट यू नीड इन लाइफ. बहुत कम ट्रांसफरेज हो जाएगा विद दिस सेटिंग स्प्रे. एंड आई हैव डांस्ड इन द एंटायर DJ my heart out literally wearing this and my makeup did not budge. So hands down, I love this setting spray. You should definitely give it a try. Perfect one for the summertime. Or affordable range mein similarly a good one. Then you can try the Matte and Poreless from Fit Me. Again, one of their setting sprays that is good to make your makeup matte, long lasting and good for long hours. Try this one. But सबसे ज़्यादा L'Oreal वाला पसंद है. Second number पे has to be the Fit Me setting spray. Affordable option है. You can also try like बहुत ज़्यादा affordable option चाहिए तो the Round the Clock from Swiss Beauty. It is gonna take away the oiliness and make your makeup look fresh looking all day long, but this would not make your makeup transfer proof. It's just gonna work like a setting spray, a normal one. So I would bet on the L'Oreal and the Fit Me ones. You can also try this one from Mars. Again, Seal the Deal setting spray. It is gonna make your makeup long lasting and would not let it smudge that easily. So again, this is a good one to invest in. You can also use my code NIDHI10 on Mars to get extra 10% off and save some more coin. All of the product links would be mentioned in the description. बहुत गड़बड़ मैं कर रही हूँ वीडियो, I know, because बहुत सारी चीज़ें कवर करनी है एक साथ. Next I have this lip gloss जो समर वाले इससे बाहर आके बात कर रही हूँ, but ये एक न्यू लॉन्च था, so I thought of getting this one. Let's try it. So this is the Plump Me Up a Wet Lip Gloss from Swiss Beauty. Affordable है, like 250 रुपये में या कुछ में पड़ा था मुझे. बहुत ज़्यादा sheer है, non sticky. I like the feel, थोड़ा balmy feel है इसका, but it is very sheer. एकदम सा वैसा कलर नहीं निकल के आता है. That was shade 1. And a shade that I really have been loving these days is this one from Plume. now Prosh, very close to my skin tone. I would definitely upload a shorts on this. Like बहुत बढ़िया वाला सुंदर color है ये. This just looks so good on my lips. Love it. MLBB perfect wala shade from Sugar. It's their Muse mask proof lip creams. So again another beautiful pink shade. So like these were some of the new lipsticks जो मैंने add कर दिए, but basically we were talking about the winter to summer transition, so those were not the necessities, but बाकी के जो products थे वो definitely were. Now ये तो हो गई स्किन केयर की बात और मेकअप की बात. कपड़ों में भी आई बिकम वेरी चूजी, स्पेशली जब समर टाइम आ जाता है. आई लव लाइक सारा प्यार याद आ जाता है टूवर्ड्स कॉटन, बिकॉज बहुत ब्रीदेबल हो जाता है, बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है एंड चिड़चिड़ नहीं करती है निधि स्पेशली. सो एक मैंने बहुत बेसिक से 2 सुंदर से सूट लिए हैं फ्रॉम अमेजोन. आई क्विकली शो यू ऑल दोज. सबसे पहले तो आता है एक कुर्ता लाइक सो. You can see that is the kurta. It is in rayon material and those are the sleeves with lace detailings given right here, and that's the full length of the kurta. It's a beautiful floral print, easy breezy for the summertime. Iske niche you get these elasticated pants with zigzag paneling given all over, and sabse niche jo hai na, you would also get a side cut, so it looks gorgeous when you wear it. और इसके साथ आया है ये चंदेरी में दुपट्टा. सो बेसिकली एक बहुत सिंपल ईजी ब्रीजी आउटफिट, एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा सस्ता था, लाइक अराउंड 640 रुपीज़ समथिंग. सो आई लीव इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, यू कैन चेक दैट. फ्रॉम द सेम ब्रांड आई गॉट अनदर वन. इस तरीके का कुर्ता and with a bright floral print all over, 3/4 sleeves and contrast paneling like the trousers, and that is your kurta. It looks gorgeous, and iske niche you get these a small floral print elasticated pants. So those are your pants, and sath hi you get a bright colored dupatta with lace detailing. So ये set again like 600 rupees और कुछ का था, so very affordable, and this is like proper 100% cotton material. That was rayon. They mentioned it as cotton, let me tell you, but it is not cotton. The first suit was rayon, while this one is 100% cotton. Like अगर कैमरा में से देख सकते हो तो देख लो, this is cotton. Yes, that was my video with some products which would be perfect for transitioning from the winter time to the summer, and you can find all of these products linked in the description as well as on my Amazon storefront. Right now they're having their winter transition sale, 70% off chal raha hai bhai, so definitely you can steal these at low prices, so check that out, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.